Quickly, before it's gone. Oh, move for it.
What's the A stand for?
Artificial.
What's the
Intelligence.
Oh, what was the A again?
Let's move on. Bottom line is, these freelancers, they're bad news. And tech is one of the worst.
My name is O'Malley.
Oh, Paris! It's all red versus blue! It's all red!
I totally screwed everything up!
Prepared and implanted with some kind of modified AI. They were supposed to make us faster or stronger. Then people just started going crazy.
I have no idea what kind of trouble you are in.
Ransacked Blue Base, searched all the bodies.
Meta has made another addition.
Then it came after us.
The Omega paid off.
Someone is hunting our top agents, and I need all the help I can get to stop it.
Memory is the key.
You think you're real soldiers? You're not.
I don't give a damn.
He'll find her! Don't you understand?
Faced with extinction, every alternative is preferred.
Said the mission was successful.
The good guys.
Hey there, Alpha. You're gonna help me kill the director.
We are the man.
You will find him. Red City.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready for the Rooster Teeth Panel 2012? And now, your starting lineup for the Rooster Teeth Panel. You know him as the handsome Gustavo Sorolla. Up next, the prettiest person we have at Rooster Teeth Productions, Kathleen Zouch. Make some noise for our fearless leader, Bernie Burns. Woo! It's that wild and crazy guy, Matt Hullum. Our animator extraordinaire, Monty Ohm. Our designated driver, Carrie Shawcross. And the man with the beard of gold, Jack Patillo. All right, let's get this thing started.
Beard of gold? Really?
No, beard of gold. Beard
yeah.
of gold.
Really good. Hey, how's it going, everyone? Sorry about that stuff on my desktop when we started. I meant to get rid of that.
He actually went through and made folders for everything, which are amateur, animal rooster, BSDM, fucked up shit.
Highlighted in red.
Japanese pro and voyeur. So Gus, these are the only categories of porn that Gus knows apparently.
It's my top. It's my favorite.
Well, we also want to see your private folder. How are y'all doing? Welcome to our 2012 PAX East panel, everybody. And half animation. That's going to continue, lean a little bit more heavily towards animation as we complete the Freelancer story in season 10, at least this long chapter of it. So what you're going to see right now is about 3 minutes of a rough cut of one of the battle sequences with the Freelancers trying to go to take down CT with a special introduction.
Very rough.
Yeah, here's a rough cut. There's no final music in this, but you know, you guys are at PAX, and we know you guys are used to seeing early stuff, and you're used to that, so we hope you enjoy.
You ever wonder why?
Let's move. Me first. Now! No, wait, not now. Damn it! Hey, North, we're pinned down. I need you to take them out.
I can't get a line of sight on the target from here, but I might have a way to contain them.
Just do it!
Say the best offense isn't good defense. What the? Hold your fire, people. Stay down. I got this. No, wait.
Got him.
Okay, we're moving. York, you guys can handle this from here, right?
Handle it? Sure. I mean, I nearly got blown up a minute ago, and now I'm paired with the squad's second worst fighter. But sure, we can handle it.
Great. North out.
You really think I'm the second worst fighter? No, I was being nice. You're easily the worst. You're saying? Yeah.
No, you go.
Dumb bitch. Payback time. Okay, time to fight fire with fire.
Agent May, isn't that the soldier from the freeway? The one that shot you in the throat? I thought so. Sickening.
So, Rooster Teeth series is our new approach to our live action shorts. We are no longer going to be producing one-off weekly shorts anymore at Rooster Teeth Productions. We are now going to move to a system. We think that Rooster Teeth is well known for great shows. Yeah, even like Achievement Hunter, which produces videos all the time, they're known for fails, they're known for horse. Rooster Teeth is known for Red versus Blue. Shows that we love, like Immersion and Panics, is a great example of one we love. So we want to get back to doing that. We want to get back to making series. So what you're going to see in 2012 from Rooster Teeth is 12 at this time, 12 different shows we're going to be debuting in 2012, which are 3 to 6 episodes each, live action shows, which are narratives ranging all the way from me and Jack or me and Marshall.
Porn.
Yeah, you want to see me about something, boss?
Yes, hello, Private Bukowski. Listen, we think there might have been a little, mix-up with the weapons between you and Admiral Komodo here.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, come on! Easy, Admiral Komodo, sir. Why don't you just tell us what happened?
I was in the locker room and I put my railgun in the holding rack as per our standard locker room regulations. When I came back to the rack, it was gone, and this thing was left in its place.
That's a nice gun there, alligator man.
No, it's not. This is a hollowed-out stick that fires metal marbles. That is a nice gun. That is the Daiku Labs handheld particle acceleratron 3000. It's an advanced one-of-a-kind prototype, and somebody stole it.
You sure about that? That looks like the name of the one you're holding there, pal.
What? You wrote that on there.
Me? I don't even understand what you said. Well, Jay can't talk if you ask me. Right there.
Shooter match starting in 30 seconds. We need all characters to their doors immediately.
Come on. Give me my gun.
You already got your gun, Bob.
How about I just take it?
Come on, take a shot at him.
It's pretty obvious to me that we're not going to get to the bottom of this right now. You know, Admiral Komodo, why don't you just go play your match and we'll just pick up this discussion after that, okay?
Man, I'm gonna get my ass kicked.
Have fun with your pea shooter.
Well, we had this